Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Thomas Safrin. I am an author, speaker, mind coach, and hypnotist. As I strongly believe in the power of hypnosis towards building a better life, in this channel, let me share some tips, tools, techniques, and free resources to make this possible. So follow me to take your next step to unlock, shift, and empower.
All right, so today I want to talk to you about journaling. Yay, said nobody ever, right? The truth is, most of us, when we grew up, thought about journaling as like a diary. And I don't know, maybe you are excited about journaling, but I know that there are a lot of people who just say, it's not for me. Now, true journaling is really probably for most people just writing out their thoughts, their ideas, and it's a way for them to reflect back on things. And there's a lot that can be learned from writing out how you feel in a moment or what you're thinking in a moment, and then to reflect back on that. So don't let me discount that as an option for you. Traditional journaling is very valuable. Other people will have various kinds of journals. So maybe you have a health and fitness journal, or specifically a workout journal, and then a diet journal, and a sleep journal, and so on and so forth. The one type of journal that I want to specifically talk to you about here today that you may not have ever heard of is called a scripting journal. Okay? So the idea here is that I want you to think about whatever it is, whatever goal it is that you have in your mind for your life. So if we were working on a fitness goal, for instance, I want you to imagine, just take a moment, maybe close your eyes. You don't have to, but sometimes it helps to see a vision in your head when you've reached that goal. You know, you've reached that shape, that size, or that fitness level that you've always wanted to be at. And really step into that. What's it feel like? What's it look like? What's it sound like? Maybe even what it smells and tastes like. I don't know. But the idea here is that you use the V.A.K method, which I've talked about in a previous video. Use that to step into this, and then you write out a script just like you were a screenwriter, writing a scene for a movie or a play or something. So you're the main character, and you write out, how other characters are going to interact with you. And what's interesting is it unlocks all of these different things in the neurology, because your subconscious mind, your creative facility, doesn't know the difference between reality and this, hopefully future version for you, right? So you're not just writing a script like some characters that are make-believe. This is your life, and you're writing out a scene where you will have achieved that goal that you want to achieve. Think about the many different ways that you could apply this, right? You don't have to make this a big laborious thing. You don't have to write a whole page or 2 pages or 5 pages. You can write 1 paragraph, a few sentences even. And the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. And the whole idea is for you to just step into that. V.A.K. What's it look like? Visual. What's it sound like? Auditory. Maybe, again, if it's a fitness goal, maybe somebody's paying you a compliment and you're hearing them say those words, right? So it's written out that way in your scripting. And then kinesthetically, what does that feel like? When you've achieved that goal, when you feel that way, somebody's paying you that compliment. So kinesthetic is both feeling, right, and internal emotional feeling, right? So I think that scripting is a great way to unlock things in your subconscious mind. And you guys always hear me talking about unlock, shift, empower. Well, this is a great way to begin the process of unlocking the power of your subconscious mind so that you can then shift and empower.